continue with our Associate AI Engineer for Developers. We finished the first and the second course, and now it's time for the project. I'm just gonna check that I'm streaming properly and that everything is alright in the studio. It should appear here. I'm just gonna double check. So I guess live. Yeah, we're good. Let me check the audio now. Yeah, we're good. Let me check the audio. Good. So let's start with the project here. Planning a trip to Paris with OpenAI API. CF lead security, wealth management, quantitative investment management. Data scientist, senior data analyst. Oh, seems like really nice people. Okay, let's continue with the project. You will create a chatbot using the OpenAI API to generate responses to the following partisan tourist questions. How far away is the Louvre? How far is the Louvre from the Eiffel Tower? If you're driving, where is the Arc? Where is the Arc de Triomphe? What are the must-see artworks at the Louvre Museum? Should start a conversation with the system. A model behavior is a temperature of 0, so more deterministic. Okay. Seems like a pretty small project. Well, define a conversation, creating a conversation loop. Use it to handle tourism company that take the influential project. The project requires you to harness the potential of an AI API to create a airport travel guide for the culturally rich city of Paris. Creation will become a virtual Parisian expert. Respond to the common questions. Immerse travel planning. Paris users will be able to predefine their questions and receive well-informed answers from the AI, providing a seamless and intuitive travel planning process. All right. So there is many things that I need to do here. First, I need to you define the model. Then, I'll need to do the completions. So the model we have here, so we need to use this one. As for the messages, the role user contentful content prompt. So here I will need to create first a system one, in which I will define how our travel guide assistant will behave. Assistant prompt. I think assistant is double S. Yes, with double S. This is not this is system prompt. And here I will define the system prompt with all the definitions of the assistant. Then I will need to create also the some conversation. His max completion token is 100. It's nice that it has autocomplete. And here I should put something like this array. Role, and this should be a user. And for example, here I can put this. And then here I can put assistant. I think here in one of them I define the other role. Few shot. Yeah, assistant. And here I should put an answer. And I'm gonna do the same for the other ones. And I'm gonna do the same for here. So first define the model to be used. Okay, but those already there, so there's not. So define the conversation. Define the list of dictionaries containing the messages. Uh-huh. Okay, so I guess I should define the questions as an array. Here's one. Here's the second one. And here's the third one. And then the conversation should start with something like just this, I guess. And then for questions, I should message append the this, which is the question, which will be user, and the content would be the question. Then there then I should append the response as better like this, role assistant, and the content should be this. So I'll iterate through each question. I will append the question with the role of user. I'll call, then the response. I'll get the content of the response. Then I'll append it as the assistant response, and then I'll iterate through the rest of the questions. Yeah. And now I need to generate a proper system prompt. So for that, you need to create so I will do something like this better. I'll just copy this. Act as a virtual operation expert, delivering valuable insights into the city's iconic landmarks and hidden treasures. You will respond intelligently to a set of common questions, providing a more engaging and versatile planning experience for right. Okay. And I should put maybe use a user-friendly tone. So this will be my system prompt. It will be here. It's in the conversation. It starts. Append the question, get the answer, append the answer, and then it will start the conversation going for each question. Uh, experiment just run. Can run all. Ooh. Messages is not defined. Ah, because it's not messages, it's conversation. And also the same here. So I guess it's better to print conversation to see what is the final result. And let's see what it returns. Ah, because this is a list. Okay, so let's just print this. Yeah, I see that. Well, first appears the content, the system prompt, then the role user, how far is the Eiffel Tower, student content absolutely evident. So this is weird because it's not. Okay, better like this because the thing is going is not replying the questions directly. So I just explicitly stated to please reply the questions directly because it will be weird if like the I'm here to help the interest of parties whether you are looking for any iconic landmark or hidden gems. Mm-hmm. So it's not really, and I know why. I know why because I'm not passing the messages here, the conversation here. That's why it's not doing nothing. So it's like I am always just passing the system prompt and then I'm getting the and appending the response. Okay, I know it's good. Now it's really good. Now let's submit this. Nice, it's correct. We finished the project, guys. So just in case, I'm gonna create another folder here. I'm gonna do travel assistant project. I'm gonna put it out. I'm gonna move it out, and then here I'll put something like system.py, and over here I'll just copy this code. Yes, it's perfect. Then you know what I will get? I will probably at the end of all of this course, I will just like take these small projects and I will expand them to put them on some server, like putting in real scenarios. Maybe do some small API with fast API or Django. I don't know. I'll give it a check later. So far, this project is really small. Well, I didn't need to check too much of the hints, so it's good. Yes, perfect. I just want to see the solution in PortOS. They are trying to provide information on speaking context manner. Okay. Questions the questions for question in question. Input date. I need to append that, and then I append response. Yeah, it's pretty much what we did. So it's all good. It's all good. The project's finished. I'll expand the pro later. Maybe I'll make a small UI in React or something like that. I don't know. And then we'll see how it rolls. So that was pretty fast. We were just in stream, how much time? 24 minutes, and we finished the project. Okay. Now, I'm gonna push this whole code into the GitHub so you can see it there. Yes, we finished this. Technically, I should have made 2 commits. So I'm gonna just do it for git add pro. Okay, I'm gonna do git log. I'm just gonna copy this. Oh, here. So this is going to be, today is 8. So this is going to be git commit minus n prompt engineering course part with OpenAI part 2. Then I push this. And then I'm gonna do the same, but this is gonna be travel assistant project. Just gonna push. Excellent, guys. So we finished these 2 courses, which are they are not like super basic. They're not super advanced. They are just okay. I mean, and if you know Python already, it's like basic, basically. So we finished all of this, like the working with the OpenAI API, the prompt engineering. We finished with the basic project, and now from tomorrow, we're gonna go with a bit more advanced concepts, which will be working with Hugging Face, LLM Ops concepts. So I guess that we will try to finish all of this by the weekend. I guess 3 and 4 will finish by the weekend, probably 5. If we do it until the project, it will be amazing. But let's see, let's say we're gonna finish the whole until the whole weekend until this project. So let's see how it rolls. So thank you, thank you, thank you very much, guys, and yeah, speak to you, speak to you, speak to you soon. I don't know if I streamed. Oh man, I think I make a mistake. Anyway, I didn't stream properly the whole. I was just talking, and I didn't show you the code. Anyway, the code is already pushed into GitHub, so you can just watch the link in my GitHub. The link in the description. There you can see all of the code that I did for the project. It's a really small project. It's just making a script in Python. So yes, so see you probably tomorrow. Thank you very much, and thanks for the support.